Hey yo web traveler, today we're opening Gade's Story. Finally, after like 3 or 2 months, I'm opening another set of Gade's Story. I hate the box, so I'm gonna do this. And I don't know, boxes always annoy me, so I'm gonna throw it away. Give it a good old shuffle. Don't know why, probably doesn't matter. Maybe it does. Who knows? I don't. So if you know, tell me. But let's start with our first pack. Okay. I'm struggling. I don't know why. As if that's like the first pack in my life. And I don't know why, but both cards are the back side. So, oh yeah, right. That's the hit. Okay, okay. Oh, let's see. A lot of sunflowers. I like it. I don't know who that is. I know who that is, and that's a nice card. I like this one. And right, ooh, nice dice, girl. God damn, look at that. Ooh. And SR, and it's Fate, so that's nice. If you want, ooh, Genshin Impact, let's go, let's go. If you want to buy this box or any other box, buy it from the seller in the video description. When you buy it, you can enter note tcgcomrade and you will get 1 promo pack for free. Do it before your sold's out on promo packs. And for your Chad Waifu Hunters, I have a very special offer. They have a new cards in store from Gade's Story official, the metal golden cards. Mwah, beautiful. And you can buy them loose, but if you're a Chad Waifu Hunter, you can make an order above $200 and add a note tcgcomrade and you will get 2 of those metal cards for free. It annoys me that it's like this. Sorry. Because now I like, how the fuck do I do it? Do I need... I'm not looking. Yeah, but you saw it. That doesn't matter. Okay, I figured something out. This one is weird. I don't know what it is, but it's... it's a child. Don't look at it. Okay, okay, very nice, very nice. There you go. Those are quality ties, my man. And also boobs. Can I even show it? That's kind of see-through, right? Yeah, YouTube. What do you think? I'm probably demonetized right now. And okay, more ties. Ooh, I like where they're going. I just saw some nipples. That's first from Gade's Story. Yeah, I can just do this every time, but that annoys me. Hey, that's a cool one. Really unique, actually. I mean, that's from the movie. Didn't expect to see that. That's nice. That's also a cool character. I watched it. I can't remember shit about it. I know I like it when I was, I don't know, 17. So I don't, I can't say to you if it's good or not. Those boobs are weird, but a cool card, nice colors. I like it. Okay, so there's the hit, and I don't fucking know how to do this. Okay. Oh god. Oh please. Okay. I sneezed all over the waifus. That's a nice card. Look at that. Look at the shine, man. Gade's Story, the quality, always top notch. I like it. I like it very much. Even those simple cards are just fine. If you want to support the channel, please subscribe, like and comments. I would appreciate you a lot. The more subscribers I get, the more crazy shit I can pull off, you know. I have a lot of ideas that I would like to try. But I don't have that much time, so yeah, whatever. I love you guys. Thank you for all the support I already got. Okay, how am I? Maybe, ooh, I do it like this. No, I fucked it up. Now it's the hit on the fucking, it's the first card. Okay, let's see it. SSR, let's go. Damn, god damn, this one looks awesome. I have no idea who that is, but I like it very, very much. Hit pile, let's go. First SSR. 5 more to go. Ooh, that's a nice angle. I like it. I don't know who are you, but very nice. Yes, yes, okay. I swear I'm not looking. I wasn't looking, I swear. Don't look angry at me. I wasn't looking. I swear, I wasn't. How the fuck do I do it? To do it like this. Yeah, now I pulled it off. Now I pulled it off. Let's see. Okay, the doubles. Okay, not the double I want to see, but whatever. And SR, those are huge. Why does he have a basketball bar behind her? Like, it doesn't look like a basketball anime to me, but maybe I'm wrong. A little bit weird. Damn, okay. Doors are popping off, I like it. Ooh, nice one. Cute. Nothing to say about this one, and looking kind of familiar, but I don't fucking know. Nice. Haven't seen you in a while. And double, and Pokemon SR, very nice, I like it. Also good art. Just simple, no boobies art. Boring got a story, where are my boob? Nah, I'm joking. I like both sides. I like when they do a cute one or a normal one, but I also like when they do it like this, you know, like some sexy ass shit. Okay, let's see. We have seen you. Doing like this is pretty annoying actually. So we see the hits, alright, nothing special. We haven't seen you. Okay, looking kinda cool. Oh god damn. Oh! I mean, sign me to the hospital. God damn, man. Wow. Well, strange that... Hey, Fate, let's go, Fate. I was saying strange that I only got one SSR so far. I mean, they're all there, but maybe I will hit a streak where every pack would be an SSR. So let's see what the... Every time when I talk about it, I get one. I don't know how I do it, but I just managed to do it. It's fine. Okay, cool. I mean, it's a nice one. Yes, very good. Okay, and now to the normal airs. Hey, that's my secret waifu. If you remember, that's nice. Oh god, the story, this set is so beautiful. Okay, I might reconsider, like I made a tier list and I only looked at SSRs, because otherwise it would be, you know, a lot of spoilers, but also very long video, and it was a long video to edit, so fuck that. Like the airs have really nice waifus. That's just nice. I actually like this set very much. And now I like it even more than I liked it before. God damn. Fucking art, everything, nice. If I can trust this box, there are 17 R's in this box, and oh, and I probably have seen almost all of them, which sucks, but it's understandable. But I think we will see new ones in a bit, maybe. Hey, that's an SS. Is it Hatsune Miku? I don't find, it looks like her, but it might not be. But this design is, oh man, this is such a beautiful card. Oh, she has a heart. I made a freaking ass. God damn it. I can't even make a heart with my hands, like, fucking made a butt crack. Amazing. Hey, see the new R. But first, the new SR. Hey, that's Kirby. Is it Kirby? It looks like her. Okay. Oh, we haven't seen this one. Okay, cool. And this one is also new. And this one's new. It looks like Toradora, but also not. Like it could be easily something else, but it just reminds me. You see the hit right away. And it's not that big of a deal, but you know. It takes the suspense away, especially when you hit a lot of doubles in air rarity. Yes! Okay, that's a really good one to see. Goddamn, yes. That's my favorite of them, of the quintessubsubs quintuplets. So that's cool. That's a hit. That's, oh, stop. That's a hit for me. I like it. And then we have one new, and I dropped it because I'm an idiot. One new card. We are half through, and we have seen 3 SSRs, and probably because I'm talking about it, there's an SSR here behind. How? I swear I'm not cheating, like it just happens. Also very good card, like man, so awesome. But how the fuck do I know when I get them? Okay, an interesting SR. Don't know the character. We have seen all of this. Hoppa! We got No, not a double. I thought for a second it was a double, but I don't think so now. I think that's the point where I definitely got all of the errors. And it's just now like a hunt for SR and SSR. I like this art. It's nice. And I can't remember if I saw this one, so maybe that's a new one. I would believe so. SSR, let's go up. Nope, okay. See, I miss sometimes. I miss my shots. But this one was like kind of forced. Most of the time when it's not forced, like I'm genuinely thinking about, I haven't seen an SSR in a while, or and then I get one. Yes, another one. Let's go. Oh, it maybe means there are all 5 of them. It would be amazing, actually. I would really like to have like a whole collection. But yeah, I'm not gonna get it because the packs are almost over. I opened almost all of them and I need to get 2 SSR. So like 2 of them. So there's a I need to pull freaking 3 out of 4 quintessential quintuplets. Like that's not realistic, I think. Hey, that's Dragon Maid. Okay, cool. Okay, now we will see if it is possible to pull quintessential quintuplets. I would like the headset girl. What is your name? I'm looking kind of familiar. That would be amazing. Ooh, goddamn SSR. Let's go. Very nice. Nice design. Shit. Nice. Look at it. 3 packs left. Haha, look at that. I pulled another quintessential quintuplet. But it means, sadly, that to make it complete, I would need to buy freaking another box of this. I mean, it's cheap, so it doesn't matter, but... I'm sad I didn't get it in one go. That would have been amazing. And yeah, that's an SSR pack. Look at that. How did I know? Thank you for watching, guys and girls, and I see you, web travelers.